Hi folks, this is Adrian, uh, the maker of SpriteMan 3D. All right. Hi folks, this is Adrian. I'm one of the makers of SpriteMan 3D, and this is going to be a tutorial series that will show you how to use SpriteMan, all the various features, starting from the very simple features that are in SpriteMan to some pretty complex workflows that I kind of learned as I was building my own video game using SpriteMan. First off, starting with a very brand new project, once you get SpriteMan from the Asset Store, you'll be able to head here under Windows, Asset Store, scroll down to the SpriteMan packages, and you'll be able to import them into your game, into a new scene. So before I go farther, there are two packages that I offer. One is SpriteMan 3D Free, which has a few limitations, but lets you do pretty much everything that the full paid SpriteMan 3D package allows. I'm going to import the main SpriteMan 3D. And okay, so here for the options, you're going to import everything from the package. But once you get used to SpriteMan, you'll probably be able to leave the demos out once you get really good at it. If you choose to do so in the future. We're going to import, and while that's importing, so let me explain a little bit the differences between the free package and the paid for package. This is what the free package will look like. The limitation is that it only has 2 directions and 4 directions of movement for your characters. So when something is put into 2 directions, it has east-west, like left-right, and then in 4-way, it will have left, right, forward, and backward. So the east, west, north, and south is what I call them. And you don't get access to all of the scripts, all the underlying scripts. Everything comes pre-compiled in this DLL. But it's definitely an excellent way to get to play around with SpriteMan and to learn the various types of things that it can do. And all the demos are going to be the same, just with those slight limitations. The full package has a few more features. It lets you do 8 directions, 16. I've even had people that wanted 32 directions, so I went all the way to 32 directions, which ends up looking like that. Whoa. So, yeah. And this will have all of the scripts that are in SpriteMan. You can inspect all the scripts, you can modify scripts, which of course you'll have to be careful with and do at, figure out a good way to do that if you end up doing that, so that, updates and things won't override your changes